We are upgrading our kitchen sink from this to this with this black sink faucet with the pull down sprayer. We're so happy with the overall look of it. The sprayer has two settings. It has the stream setting and the spray setting, and it also has an integrated aerator to save water. Everything moves around really smoothly. The hose does not catch up and it moves back and forth with ease. The overall appearance of the faucet looks really high end and nice, and I love the arch that it has to it. This is how it comes packaged. The instructions are super straightforward and easy to understand and follow. Everything came in styrofoam, so it was well protected. Nothing came broken or chipped. We just installed this ourselves with no professional help, and it took under 30 minutes. So very easy and quick. We just started by shutting off the water and removing our old faucet. You'll want to take the weighted ball apart so that you can install it underneath. And you also want to remove the gaskets and the nuts so that they can be installed underneath the sink. You'll place the deck plate down, and then you'll insert the body of the faucet through the sink countertop hole, feeding all the tubing through. And then my husband connected the hot and cold water hoses to the valves and tightened everything into place, and we were good to go. We ran into zero issues with installation, and it has been working perfectly with no issues. We're so happy with it, and I absolutely recommend it if you're looking for an easy kitchen upgrade.